so sick.
Don't give us that.
Yeah, we know what you're up to.
Knock it off, Thanos. We know you're going to Power Comicon, and this is all just an act so that we wouldn't know.
I can't believe you weren't going to take us to the premier con of the Carolinas.
Is it true?
Yeah, he was acting sick, so we wouldn't go with him to buy toys, comics, original artwork, and all the other marvelous things they have there.
They'll have cosplayers from all across the multiverse. It'll be madness.
Where's the con? Where's the con?
Relax, Patsy.
Yeah, it's at the Florence Center in Florence, South Carolina.
Okay, I'm sorry, guys. You can go. I'll use the back computer to look up the information at www.powercomicon.com when I'm not using it for justice.
Yeah, we get it.
Well, I better go get ready.
Oh no, we already know that trick. You're already dressed.
Yeah, and open up your robe, Grimace.
Power Comic-Con. All your friends will be there. You should too. Swear to me! Swear to me!
Decaf, Bruce. We'll see you all there.